how to create and post on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create and post on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the camera section. Now here, you can just go to the post tab, and now here you can capture the photo or video for your post, or you can select the one from the gallery as well. So simply select it, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on next. And now here on the next page, you can edit the video if you like. You can add the filters, text, stickers, gifs. You can crop and adjust your photo and video as needed. And with that, you can also add a caption and hashtag to increase the reach as well. And with that, you can just tap on next. And now here on the last section, what you have to do is you can add captions here, you can tag people, you can add locations, and once you're done with it, you can just tap on share button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, your post will now be visible to followers or the public based on your account privacy settings. And that's it. That's how you can create and post on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.